Hello YouTubers! Today I wanted to talk about a video that I saw maybe half a year ago. Uh, well, by the time this video airs, it will definitely have been half a year at least. Um, it's not the channel that I follow, but something that YouTube recommended to me, and as I was bored enough, I clicked on it and I just wanted to share my thoughts about that. So, the title of the video was something along the lines of why motorcycling is the last escape. I don't remember who is the uploader. The name was something like Gear Knowledge, but there was some Latin in it. I'll put the link of the video to the description, so if you're interested in checking that out, then you can. And basically what he does is he explains why the motorcycle riding is the last escape from reality, or not even reality, but you know, your day-to-day problems and all that. And he brings out good arguments. Each of them we all know, and many of us repeat them and tell that to everyone, you know, why motorcycling is so great, how you have to focus to the ride, and or focus on the ride, and you switch off from everything else, and you're in contact with the elements. And each of them is a valid reason why motorcycling is a great escape from your day-to-day problems, why your, you know, mundane thoughts are pushed to the background, and how you can switch off from your worries just for that brief moment when you get on the motorcycle and you're really in the ride. But, and now this is where my opinion differs from the original poster. I don't think it is the last or the only escape we have left. I think that majority of hobbies that require either physical precision or you know, skill, or deep thought, or the combination of two, will give you the same result. Try going to the gym and think about the things that your boss told you about last week while you're doing your, you know, full weight set. You're focusing your every effort on making just one more rep, just so your muscles can do that last little bit that you don't know if they can or not, but you're giving your all that they can, and you're not thinking about stuff like that. Or if you're computer gaming, whatever the game that requires, you know, concentration, or has competitive element, or has you know, significant skill involved, you're not thinking about anything else at that moment. And many other hobbies, you know, scale model building, if you're crafting those little pieces from scratch, and you need to be very precise with your little knife, and you know, There are so many things that you can bring up that give you the same kind of focus or same level of focus. So that's my thought about it, and why I don't think his overall idea or claim is correct, even though every argument he makes for supporting his claim I agree with, but I don't agree with the fact that motorcycling is the only one that gives it to you. So that's my thought for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time,